Hey guys, Technometro with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 12 Pro in a few different ways on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So the first and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone 12 is using one of the volume up or volume down button and this side button at the same time. So you want to hold either the volume up or volume down but at the same time, and this side button. Press and hold for about 3 seconds to even 5 seconds, just like this. And when you do that, this menu to slide to power off will activate, and then you can simply slide to power off. Now, the second method involves by simply going into your setting of your iPhone and then going to general and scrolling down where you have shutdown. And after that, there's another menu that will pop up where you can slide to power off as well, similar to the first method. Now, third method involves using Siri. If you have Siri enabled on the latest iOS version, you can say, "Hey Siri," if you have that enabled, or press and hold this side button until Siri activates. "Hey Siri, power down." Yes. And then Siri will activate and will ask you if you want to power down after you say that command, power down, and give it about 15 to 20 seconds and the phone will completely turn off. Now, in order to turn it back on, it's going to be really simple. You can press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear, or you can plug it into a charger. So if I press and hold and then wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then I let go of that side button, and that will also go ahead and restart your iPhone. As I mentioned, if the side button isn't working, you can plug it into a charger. Now, if you plug into a charger, what will happen is the phone will automatically also turn on or restart if it's turned off, and it'll boot up like normal. And after you have done that, we have restarted the iPhone 12 Pro, and you should be good to go. I hope this video was helpful, so please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.